This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering and organizing examples so the model learns real variation. Upload or capture 50 to 200 high-quality samples per class, and label each class with a short, unique name so training maps correctly. Once done, pick the project type, image, audio, or pose, and connect your input device, whether webcam or batch uploads. Make sure to remove duplicates and normalize backgrounds when possible. This reduces noise and speeds up convergence during the initial training step. Now you configure training parameters and augment data to improve generalization. Set epochs and batch size modestly, train a baseline, then increase complexity if accuracy stalls, and tweak the learning rate carefully to avoid divergence. Apply augmentation like horizontal flip, rotation, small crops, or noise so the model sees realistic variations. Also create a validation split or enable cross-validation to monitor overfitting. If validation accuracy drops, decrease epochs, or add augmentation. These steps let you optimize performance without wasting compute. Finish by exporting and validating the trained model on fresh data so you confirm real-world performance. Choose the export format you need, TensorFlow, TFJS, or Keras, and run tests on unseen samples while checking the confusion matrix to find weak classes. If a class performs poorly, add targeted examples, rebalance the dataset, or lower the learning rate and retrain. One key troubleshooting tip: if results are unstable, simplify the model or increase data per class. That usually fixes inconsistent predictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.